Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find and fix the various frustrating issues that arise between Windows 10 and 11 computers. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and Google search to search for one application name as Grab Picture. On the first list you will see its developer website. Just click on it. Now on the right side you will see here releases. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. I'll see here one file name mscpicture.exe. So just click on it to download this file. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just right mouse click on it and just select this run as administrator. Now you can see the user interface of this software. Now on the left side you will see various options: home, restore and options. So under the home options you will see more options, Windows and apps. So now below you will see various different options here, so you can select all the options depending upon your needs. So once all your selection is done, just click on this analyze. So once the analyzation is complete, you can click on this run see picture. So finally you can see it has fixed all the system issues which I am having on my Windows 10 or 11 computers. So you can see the pictures it is done, and if some issues occurs while fixing any system issues, then you can just click on this restore and you can click on yes in order to restore to the earlier settings. So by using this application named as Grab Picture, you can easily find and fix the various frustrating issues that arise between Windows 10 and 11 computers very easily. So if you've never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.